Hey, it's Alexa. Come spend a few days in LA with me. Tonight, I headed over to the Polo Lounge at the Beverly Hills Hotel with one of my girlfriends. They were doing a collab with a coffee shop called La Kind Cafe. They had matcha cocktails and also this matcha souffle. I wasn't the biggest fan of this souffle, but the cocktail was very good. This weekend, I'm taking Leo to a little doggy brunch in Beverly Hills. It's for Valentine's Day, and I got him a little outfit to wear. They're taking pet portraits. I thought he would look really cute in this. It's a little tux. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. I'm sure he's not gonna love wearing it, but I'll show you what it looks like on. To tempt him with a treat. On Saturday, I took him to his little Valentine's Day doggy brunch, and I did a whole separate video on this. So if you want to see more in depth how his little brunch went, then go check out that video. Since we were already in Beverly Hills, I took him for a walk down Rodeo Drive afterwards and just did a little bit of window shopping. Later during the week, I was able to attend a Carbone event. It was a pop-up in Hollywood. They're a restaurant on the East Coast, and they also make delicious sauces, and they had an event for Valentine's Day. There was a photo booth. There were flower arrangements where you could pick your own flowers, and I absolutely love flowers, so I had to get some of these. There was also poems. So they had someone do poems. You sat down, told him what you wanted him to write about, and he wrote you a personalized poem, which was something I've never seen before, but it was really fun. I went with one of my girlfriends, and it was a really fun night. That weekend was Valentine's Day weekend, so I went to the Grove. They were having a little Valentine's Day pop-up, but before I headed over to that, I stumbled across this cute little dog parade. I think it was for Mardi Gras that's coming up, but it was adorable. If you've watched any of my videos in the past, it's no surprise that I love a pop-up, and the Valentine's Day one that was at the Grove was just to get a rose off of this giant rose ball. The line was down around the block and people were waiting for hours, and I was not about to wait in this giant line just for a rose. So I ended up just passing on that and heading home. When I got home from the Grove, I spent some time with Leo just hanging out at home and watching TV on the couch before I took him on a very long walk, which he always enjoys. He absolutely loves his walks. I just did some shopping on Revolve. I got a couple new dresses for summer, and of course, they're all black. I feel like black you can wear it during the day and you can dress it up at night, and it always just looks very chic and classy. So hopefully these look good, and I'll try them on. This first dress is by the brand Lioness, and it's a maxi dress with an open back. I definitely really like this one, and I will be keeping it. Next dress is by the brand Majorelle. It has a little bubble hem, and it's cute, but I'm not sure it's for me. Let me know what you think. This last dress is by the brand Camila Cabello. It's really cute, but I think it might be a little too short. I'm on the taller side, and I feel like the sides are just a little too short. Happy Sunday. I was heading over to the farmer's market. I do this every Sunday. It's something I look forward to. I love coming. I've been coming Since I moved to LA to this farmer's market, I get the fresh tangerine juice every week and I genuinely look forward to it. I had a very rainy Monday off from work, so I decided to go see a movie. What better thing to do on a cold, rainy day? It was my first time ever going to a movie theater by myself. I saw Wuthering Heights, and it was a really good movie. I am a big fan of Margot Robbie. If you're in the mood to go to the movie theater, I would highly recommend this one.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
The past few days have been very cold and rainy in LA, which is a little abnormal. As soon as the sun came out, I had to get out of the house. I went over to Croft Alley in Beverly Hills and got a burger, and then headed over to the Century City Mall just to do some shopping, and I had some returns to do. Thank you so much for watching and spending a few days in LA with me. I'll see you in the next video.